Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tusk forced aluminum roof on your Can-Am Maverick Trail or Sport. Both the 800s and the 1000s will be the same. And then this is also going to work for the Can-Am Commanders, the 700s and 1000s. Now what's unique about this forced aluminum roof is not only is it going to give you protection from the sun and the rain, but you have these louvers in the back and they direct airflow down onto your rear window, and it's going to help keep the dust off of there, and that way you can actually see out. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the process. So first thing we want to do is make sure it's clean. I'm going to use some soapy water on a rag and wipe it down. After that, we're going to install the two roll cage clamps in the back. So first we're going to remove that button head bolt from the flat section and then remove the back of the clamp. Now we're not going to be using the rubber strip that comes inside. And when you install this, we're just measuring 4.5 inches from that weld on the inside. Come out 4.5 inches, and that's going to be the outside of our clamp. And when you put the back side of the clamp on, just make sure you leave it loose enough so you can make adjustments with this, and then we'll go do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to install some foam tape on top of the roll cage, and that's just going to help dampen vibrations going to the roof. So with this stuff, we're just going to go down both sides and across the front of the roll cage. Next, you'll want to have a friend help you set the roof into place, and we're going to start out by installing the rear hardware. So that's going to be the M8 by 30 millimeter bolts. We're going to go through a flat washer through the roof, and then you have the aluminum spacers between the roof and the roll cage clamps. Now we're going to leave this hardware loose. Then we can install the hardware through the front corners of our roof. So that's going to be the shorter bolts that came in the kit, along with the flat washers. We'll go through the roof, and we've got a washer and a nut on the back side. With those in place, we're going to adjust the roof for optimal fitment. So side to side and front to back, we're going to adjust this, and then we can tighten down all the hardware in the roof. And that's it for the forced aluminum roof. If you need one of these, click the link in the description below. We're also going to have other accessories on our website, like this light bar that we've gone ahead and added. Now, if you have any questions about the install process, leave those down in the comments. And if you want to stay up to date on our latest content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.